Anisha, hi.
Hi, Anisha. Look, I've got a friend with me today who wants to say something.
Thank you so much for loving our show, for loving us, all the characters, and जो equation है सबकी, and thank you for promoting it on such a nicer scale.
Yeah, genuinely, thank you so much. It means a lot to us, and especially आपके comments, आपने तारीफ की थी इनकी मेरी शो की, बहुत अच्छा लगा. We do our work not only for ourselves, आप लोगों के लिए भी. So genuinely thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Also, please keep supporting. Yeah, we enjoy that. Don't stop that.
Any message for your fans in South Africa?
Loads of love and blessings, and thank you for being kind. मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि the love of the fans or anybody who doesn't know us and is loving our craft, वो बहुत